Hey friends! Well, I probably am coming in late to the game with the video camera or recording this, but my kids and I just did a big clean out in our garden. So I thought I would share with you the initial phase of what our gardens look like. And you can see how we kind of tilled a bunch here. I'll try to hold it in the back. So we've got a bunch of beds. And I'm getting excited because this is a new home for us. And so we've got all these great garden beds that we can plan for. I do have some things planned already in terms of like what I want to grow. In the past, by this point, I would have definitely had everything planned out. I would have had drawings and like blueprints almost of my garden, but or seedlings even started, but we are in a new home, and so lots of change has been happening, and so just kind of figured it'd have a slow start and get it taken care of when I could. So I bought some wheat berries. I want to try growing our own wheat to see how that goes, see if we could potentially harvest our own wheat for our bread. And I know it was pretty wet. It was a pretty wet a pretty wet summer last year, and so I know that kind of destroyed some wheat crops in the area, but I'm gonna go in with the mindset that this is my initial attempt at it, and succeed, fail, at least I'll learn something from it along the way. So that will be kind of exciting. So I think I'm gonna try it in these beds behind me. And I'm actually letting our girls in here right now, since we don't have anything growing except for our garlic. I've got a bunch of garlic back in here, which is kind of hard to see with the leaves. We've got maybe, I don't know, 50 or so garlic growing. And they actually did pretty well over the winter. Other than that, there's nothing else growing in here except for some of the lavender and some of the perennials that the former owners had left. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited. We've got a bunch of more garden beds than we've had in the past. So I know one thing for sure, we're doing our garlic, we're doing our wheat berries, and then our typical vegetables. I got a bunch of seeds, and right now the soil's tillable, so I'm probably coming late to the game with that. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I probably need to put some peas and spinach and lettuce in. I probably should have done it already. But again, you know, we'll figure it out as we go along, and I'll keep you guys updated. So anyways, I'll be adding wood ash in the garden. I'll put some compost manure from the chicken coop. Got a compost bin back in the pasture area back here. Ready to go for the garden too. So we've got those three things that will be really good, and that's about it. So it's a beautiful day in late March, and so nice to hear all the birds. So all right, kind of fun seeing the woods as stuff is just starting to grow. This is our first spring here. So all right friends, I'll keep you updated. I will keep posting more as we go along. When we plant things, I'll show you how I do it, and we can both learn together what to do and what not to do. All right friends, thanks, bye.